Welcome to Aarti's Education. Today we are going to learn how to solve problem set 26. In this problem set, we are going to draw given angles with given measure. So for it, we need a protractor. This is a protractor, a ruler. This one is a ruler, and a pencil. With the help of this, we are going to draw an angle. How? Let's look. Before we start, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's turn towards to problem set 26. Here, the question is, draw and name the following angles with the help of a protractor. There are 7 angles and each and every angle have different measure. So let's start to draw our first question, 60 degree. Right here, first question, 60 degree. So first of all, we have to draw an arm for our angle. We can call it as a base arm. So for it, we need a ruler and a pencil. Look here, I'm going to draw an arm as a base. Here I draw it. Now we have to decide our vertex. For it, I'm going to make a sign of arrow on one side of this arm. Here I make a sign of arrow, and this one is our vertex. Now our vertex is fixed. Let's give the name to our arm. Arm B, C. You can choose a name at your own choice. Now, B is our vertex, so we must draw an angle with a given measure at this point, means B point. So that gives us a measure of 60 degree. Let's put center point of our protractor. This is the center point of our protractor. I told about you in my last videos. So put the center point on our vertex, that is B. Let's put it. Match our baseline, our protractor's baseline to our base arm. Here I match it. Now count the divisions starting from the 0 near to our arrow or our point C. So here is the arrow on the right hand side of B. Let's count 0 from here. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Here we find a 60. Mark a point with a pencil at the divisions that shows us a 60. Here I mark a point. Then join these 2 points, mark point and B, like this, by using scale or ruler. Our angle is complete now. Let's make an arrow here and give a name to it, A. Make a angle sign in the interior part of our angle and write the measure here, 60 degree. Now the second question they gives us is 120 degree. We are going to make the same procedure here as we made in our first angle. Let's draw first an arm as a base. Leave 4 or 5 lines on the upper side of our arm. Let's make arrow here to decide our vertex. This is our vertex. Give the name to our arm. I give here QR. Now put the center point of protractor to the vertex, that is Q. Put here a center point. Then match our base arm and baseline of protractor like this. Then count from zeros where we have our arrow. Here is our arrow at the right side. Count here. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110 and 120. Make a mark here. The division shows that 120. Now join these 2 points, this point and point Q, our vertex. Join it by ruler. This is our angle. Make a sign here and write its measure 120 degree. Give a name here P. So our angle for 120 degree is complete now. If they give us a name in the question, then we have to give that name to our angle. Here they doesn't give any name, so we can take a name at our own choice. Now third question is 90 degree. Let's draw an arm here. Leave 4 or 5 lines on the upper side. Here I am going to show you from another side how to draw an angle. Now I am going to decide at the right hand side vertex, and for it I mark here an arrow. Now this is our vertex. Give it a name. E or EF. Now put the center point to our vertex here. Join our protractor's baseline and our arm's line. We have to match them like this. Now the arrow is to the left hand side, so we have to count from left hand side. Start from here. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Let's make here a mark. Always count from opposite side of vertex to draw an angle. This is the opposite side of vertex. Here is our vertex on right hand side, and left hand side is the opposite of right hand side. So we have to count from here on the opposite side of our vertex. So join these 2 points with the help of ruler and make here a sign of arrow. Give a name G. make here a sign like this and write here measurement 90 degree. Now fourth question is 150 degree. Let's draw an arm here. Leave 4 or 5 lines. Look. Then decide our vertex. Here is our vertex. Give it to name. Now put the center point of our protractor to our vertex and count from the opposite side of our vertex or from our arrow. Start from the direction of our arrow. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, here is 130, 140 and 150. Make here a sign or mark a point. Then join these 2 points with the help of ruler. Make here sign of arrow and give it to name. So our angle for 150 degree is complete now. Let's write here the measurement of our angle 150 degree. Now fifth question. Our fifth question is 30 degree. We have to draw the angle of 30 degree. Let's leave 4 or 5 lines on the upper side and draw an arm here. Make here a point. This is our vertex now. Give it a name. Now put the center point of protractor to our vertex like this. Join our base arm. Match our base arm. Now count from the opposite side of vertex. 0, 10, 20, 30. Here we have to make a mark. Join this mark to our vertex. Give it to a name. Now write here our measurement for given angle 30 degree. Now the next question is 165 degree. Sixth question. Let's draw here an arm. You can call it as a base arm. Decide our vertex and make here make here sign of arrow. Now put the center point of protractor to our vertex. Here is our vertex put the center point here, match our arm and baseline of protractor like this, and count from the opposite side of our vertex. The measure we have here 165 degree. We have to count 165 divisions here. Start from 0 to our right hand side. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Here is 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160 is here, and we have the measure here 165. So for it we have to count 5 divisions here like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just count 5 lines from 160 and make here a point. Let's join these 2 points with the help of scale. Like this. Make an arrow here. Give the name to our angle X, Y and Z. Right here the measurement of our angle 165 degree. Now the 7th question given to us is 45 degree. For it, we'll leave 4 or 5 lines on the upper side, and then we have to draw an arm here like this. Decide our vertex. This is our vertex, and make here an arrow. Now our measurement is 45 degree. Put our center point of protractor to the vertex like this, and then count up to 45 divisions. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and count 5 divisions here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our 45. Make here a sign of point and then join these 2 points like this with the help of ruler. Make here a sign of arrow and give a name to our now right here the measurement of our angle, it's a 45 degree. So this is the solution of our problem set 26. I hope you will understand it very well. Let's practice for the angles. Take different types of measurements at your own choice and practice it very well, because it is useful to you in 6th standard also and 7th standard also. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.